Good evening everyone, I'm Rishabh from GETNER. Today I'm going to present you one of the best selling models of GETNER, that is Microvision XL. So people, this microscope comes in a single mold, as you can see. It is one of the most durable microscopes. Right from the top till the base, it is in one single piece. So people, currently I have a model which comes with a butterfly silent off head. This is 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Its eyepieces are WF10X with 20 mm field of view. It can also come in 18 mm field of view. This has semi-plan achromatic optics under a quadruple nosepiece. The optics are 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x. This comes with a double plate coaxial mechanical stage. Then it comes with coaxial coarse and fine focusing. It comes with a cord hanger and it also can come with a battery backup. This has a window in the arm, which means that it is very easy to carry. Wherever you want to test anything, you can carry this microscope easily. Then it comes with a base, a very modern design, and at the base you have an LED illumination. This has several possibilities of upgradation. You can have semi-plan achromatic optics, you can have plan achromatic optics, you can have infinity plan achromatic optics. You can have, talking about the eyepieces, you can have wide field 10x with 18 mm field of view, wide field 10x with 20 mm field of view, wide field 10x with 22 mm field of view as well. With a 30 degrees, 45 degrees slider head or a 30 degrees silent off head or a butterfly head as well. This can be converted to a trinocular microscope. If we add a tube here, this can be converted to a trinocular microscope as well. Then you can also see two slides at a time because it has a very big coaxial mechanical stage. And yes, this stage can also be converted to a rackless stage as well. Like currently it is having a rack which is protruding forward. It can also be converted to a rackless stage, which means that the rack won't be protruding forward. This is one of the most apt microscopes to be used in pathology, in microbiology, in cytotechnology, cell culture, histotechnology, biotechnology, and various other domains. Also, all these microscopes which are kept here, one after the other, they all are inspected as per Japanese industrial standards and are manufactured as per manufacturing collaboration with Kyowa Optical Company, Japan. Thank you.